Hi, I'm Atulya and I've been living alone as a student from last 3 years. From being completely dependent on my family to moving to a different city and living alone has been pretty challenging. So here are a few things that I learned from living on my own.
You're on your own, kid. You always have been.
The first step to conquer your day is simply waking up. स्कूल टाइम में ना घर पे सुबह कोई ना कोई उठाने आ ही जाता था और तब लगता था कि यार क्यों ही उठा दिया, थोड़ा और सो लेती. बट नाउ व्हेन आई एम लिविंग अलोन एंड माई अलार्म क्लॉक्स फेल्स टू वेक मी अप, लगता है यार काश कोई होता जो सुबह सुबह उठा देता. बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, दैट समवन हैज़ टू बी यू. It's your responsibility to wake up at the desired time. You are responsible for your body clock. One thing I've learned from living alone is how to be disciplined and how important it is to have a routine. Like having a good morning routine can actually help you to stay productive throughout the day. Story time. When I started my college back in 2021, I shifted in a PG. मेरी रूममेट थी वहाँ पे, बाकी सारे लोग भी रहते थे. हमारा एक कॉमन किचन हुआ करता था एंड सब कुछ शेयरिंग में चलता था. तो कुछ टाइम तो बहुत मज़ा आई, नई नई कॉलेज लाइफ शुरू हुई थी, नए फ्रेंड्स, नए लोग, एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग वेल. कुछ टाइम बाद आई रियलाइज्ड मेरा कोई रूटीन नहीं रह गया था. मैं लेट से उठती थी, कभी ब्रेकफास्ट किया नहीं किया, रास्ते से कुछ खरीद के खा लिया, कॉलेज चले गए, कॉलेज से आए वापस लंच किया, नहीं तो वैसे ही सो गए. रात में बाहर से खाना ऑर्डर कर लिया, कभी बनाने का मन किया तो बना लिया, अदरवाइज बाहर से ही मोस्टली खाने लग गए थे. तो कुछ टाइम तो ऐसे चलता रहा, बट लेटर ऑन इसके बहुत सारे नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट्स पता लगने लगे. देन आई डिसाइडेड टू चेंज एवरीथिंग, एंड द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स दिस चेंज वाज शिफ्टिंग अलोन. It obviously was not easy, and the only question that I was being asked always, all the time was, will I be able to manage everything alone? And without a second thought, I was like, yes, I can manage everything alone. In fact, I'll manage everything in a better way. So, yeah, that was the time I shifted to this studio apartment all alone, all by myself, no other human beings in the immediate vicinity. So, after living by myself for 2 years, I have some advice to share. Enjoy your experience of living alone to its fullest. Not every day will be your best day. There will be some days where you feel low, where you won't be able to do anything, and just getting out of your bed is an accomplishment itself. But that's the thing about life. Happiness comes and goes in waves, and you just need to find your balance. Living alone makes you realize the importance of time and how to balance things. A clean place equals to a clean mind. And this is something which hit hard when you live alone. क्योंकि यहाँ कोई बोलने वाला नहीं होता कि रूम क्लीन कर लो, टेबल क्लीन कर लो, कबर्ड क्लीन कर लो. When you start taking responsibility of your space, you also discover ways to enjoy this process. Like I personally like to listening music or audiobooks or any sort of podcasts while I do this. Don't skip meals. I know some of you must be like, बहुत काम होता है, college, office and whatnot. I know, I go through the same thing. And I don't think I need to tell the importance of taking meals on time. I have seen so many positive changes in my body. So, especially, I think you should not miss your breakfast. Breakfast is very, very important.
Huh?
Also, my mama watches these videos, so I think this point has its own importance.
Yay!
Living alone makes you realize the importance of time. That's why learning to manage your time becomes even more important. So here's a technique I started using a few days ago to manage time, and This lets me get my work done in less time. So, this is very basic but effective. What I do, I divide the task into small parts and then I use a timer and give myself certain amount of time to complete each part. And trust me, it is a productivity hack. Like, this is something that brought me out of that lethargic and unproductive phase. And trust me, this also helped me beat procrastination. पता है क्या, अकेले रहने की एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात है कि आप वो सब कुछ सीख जाते हो जो आपने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था। मैं कभी घर में किचन में घुसती भी नहीं थी और अभी कुकिंग फील्स लाइक थेरेपी। बर्तन धोना, कपड़े धोना सब सीख लिया पढ़ाई के चक्कर में अकेले रहते रहते। एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, आई रियली लव डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, सीरियसली। Having said all of this, yes, I do enjoy being alone most of the times because of freedom, self-reliance, and the feeling of self-dependence. But on the other hand, there are days when you feel terribly alone. Like currently, it's raining when I'm editing this video, and I miss someone's presence to sit with me and enjoy the rain. Getting out of the room is also very important. This means that taking a break from your day-to-day regular routine is very important. आज बारिश के बाद weather बहुत अच्छा था, so I decided to ditch the regular exercise and went for a walk. Okay, nobody will judge me for this, but I had waffles on my way to home because I don't know why, but I was craving for something sweet. उसके बाद I got myself sabjiyan from the market. People often say that living alone comes with a lot of freedom, and I completely agree with that. But what we tend to forget is that living alone itself comes with a lot of responsibilities. These are small things that are really important, and we do not understand their importance until we become adults. Here, your girl is preparing her dinner. Honestly, I don't know the specific name of this dish, but basically, I'm gonna toss these veggies and paneer in these sauce mix, which has Szechuan, soy sauce, red chili sauce, some ginger garlic paste, and salt and everything. I enjoyed my dinner while watching one of my favorite TV shows, and then, as usual, I took a cold shower to relax my mind and body. Emotional independence is something that comes along when you're living on your own. You need to learn how to handle your emotions without relying on anyone's support. You become your own friend. Tell yourself not to cry and stay strong. And enjoying your own company is one of the biggest weapons to fight loneliness. Living alone gives you the freedom to create a life that reflects who you truly are. It's an opportunity to build a space where you feel safe, happy, and at peace. Learning to live on your own is a journey of self-discovery, growth, freedom, and independence. It can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding.